Hi, everything EmloyConcepts, your ultimate destination for all things cake design, cake decorating, and finger foods. Whether you're a professional or a passionate beginner, our channel is dedicated to inspiring your creativity with expert tips, stunning designs, and deliciously crafted cakes. Join us and let us make every event unforgettable. Today's video is on how we put this cake together. This is like a zebra stripe purple cake, so kindly watch carefully, enjoy the video. Trust me, you're gonna learn one or two from this video. We covered the cake with fondant and how we decorated it from scratch to finish, and there's another video that shows how we made the shoe and the bag you will eventually see on top of this cake. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, subscribe to get to see more of educative videos from this channel, and subscribe so you can also get to see how we molded the shoe and the bag we put on this cake. Enjoy this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Kindly let me know what you think about this video. Share this video and let me know what you learned. Whatever you learned from this video, kindly share with us in the comment section. If there's a better way you do your thing, also share with me. Thank you so much. I appreciate everyone that watches my video. Thank you for coming again and again. Kindly stick with my channel. Subscribe. Thank you. You've watched this far. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video. I'm sure you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure you learned one or two from this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, stick with my channel, and definitely you will get more educative videos from me. Thank you so much. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.